Hey guys, here's a quick look at the water heater getting rebuilt. I'm almost finished rebuilding the cabinet. Here's a closer look at the box. Built a lot better, built with a slant. And the glass, this is where the glass is going to go. I used a deck paint, which is actually still wet. I'm going to paint the inside of it flat black. Instead of having the surface reflective, I'm going to take the floor somehow and slope it to the front. And make the surface very water resistant and put a drain hole in the front. That way if I ever get a leak in here, I'll have somewhere for the water to go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take a video of all the processes that I've got left and show y'all how I do it. The next thing I want to do is make this surface water resistant, but the first thing it needs is a slope somehow, and I'm going to put a drain right here in the middle, and I'm going to slope the entire surface to that drain. So let's see how we're going to do it. Here's some wedges that I cut that are going to help me create the slope down towards the drain that I'm looking for. Got everything fastened down now. The next step is to put down the tile board. And begin to put all this together. Alright, I got my slant in the surface. First I cut this piece, and then secondly I cut this piece and this piece. So now what I have to do is cut the first two pieces, 1 and 2, to match the second two pieces, 1 and 2. Right here, right here, right here, and right there. And then I should have my slanted surface that I was looking for. Alright, I've got the tile board all fastened down. Everything screwed in place. There's the drain, not going anywhere. Just got one final preparation before it's time for concrete. Alright, got the bottom surface finished. Taped up real good to keep the concrete from going below. Got the drain installed. Tied down really good. It's not going anywhere. But I got one thing left to do before it's time for concrete. Alright. Now it looks like I'm ready for concrete. Got the concrete down now. Just gotta wait for it to dry. Smooth out the surface and get it ready for paint. Alright, I got the finished surface all smoothed out. Got a coat of primer on it, ready for paint. One thing I forgot to mention is the whole reason I put that drain in here is because when I put the tank back in here, it's going to be going somewhere in this vicinity right here. And if it ever develops a leak, I want all the water to go out of that drain, just in case it ever develops a leak. I don't want it to fill up this box and ruin all my hard work and money that I put into this thing. because I want it to last a very long time. And in an effort to keep this video from being too terribly long, because I don't want to lose anybody, and I still have a few steps left before this project is complete, is I'm going to make a video out of this one, and then all of the steps that I have left I'm going to include in a future video or videos, however many it takes, because I still have the foam insulation to put all the way around. I've got to paint all of this inside flat black, the sides, the floor, and all. I've got to reinstall the tank, which again is going right here, and I've got to run the plumbing through that back wall, and then build the glass top that's going over to let the sun in and keep the rain out. So I'll keep you guys posted.